Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel again. Okay, welcome to my channel guys. This morning for all gem experts out there, gem favorites. Okay, this morning I'll show to you my new gem here. Okay, actually there are so many experts say this is a jadeite or a jade. Okay, but this is not a jade. I think this is a serendipite guys, serendipite like this, because basing on its feature guys, okay, and characteristic like this is a serendipite. Yeah, this is a serendipite. Okay, because there are already some videos like this, texture like this one, that this is a serendipite guys, serendipite. And the others say this is like the sapphire, green blue sapphire, that I don't have an exact definition of this guys. Okay, let's watch. Okay, but basing on my research, this is serendipite. Okay, see, some others says this is a sapphire. Okay, if you are an expert watching right now, okay, don't hesitate to comment down your reaction about this stone guys. Okay, because even me, I don't have an exact name of this, because I'm not a gemologist. Okay, like this guys. Okay, what can you say? What can you see? Is this a green sapphire or a green serendipite? Okay, like this. Okay? I accept all the comment, good comment. Okay, and if you have interested to buy this, okay, just send me a direct message. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice morning to all. Okay, thank you. Good morning.